everyone, this is Jia and you're watching Jia's Art. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw two lovebirds sitting on the tree. Hit the red subscribe button and click on the bell icon for upcoming drawing tutorials. These are the tools I'll be using. For more details, check out the description below. Step 1. First at all, I am using HB pencil and draw a simple sketch of two birds.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
First step is done. Let's move on second step. In this step, I am using same HB pencil and shade his feathers darkly. Now shade the bird lightly.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me why it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down my walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I?
Now I am using blending brush and blend the shade.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I
Now colored his mouth.
love the feeling?
Also outline it. Second step is done. Let's move on third step. Now color the mouth of second bird. Create an outline around her eye. Now shade the second bird. Now using eraser and knead the shine part on their mouths. Now shade the bird again. Now blend the shading. Third step is done. Let's move on fourth step. Now add some shading in branch of tree. Now using blending stump and blend the shading. Now outline their feet. Again outline the feathers of bird. Fourth step is done. Let's move on fifth step. Now I am drawing some leaves on the branch. Now I am using green color and color the leaves. You gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away into fucking love. Finally, it's done. Hope you all enjoy my video tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, then give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends. Try this one and tag me on Instagram for featured. The Instagram link is given in description. Share your feedback in comments below. Thanks for watching. Check my previous video, subscribe my channel, like my page on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.